You must certainly have already heard about the benefits of apple vinegar, right? In today's video, we've talked about it. Apple vinegar is rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect cells against diseases, and also help reduce joint inflammations. Because of its fermentation process, this vinegar is rich in enzymes that help and facilitate food digestion. And, if that wasn't enough, it also helps with liver functioning and detoxes the body, improving immunity. Amazing, isn't it? Lemon and water, on the other hand, should be drunk always in the morning and while fasting. It improves immunity and helps detox the body, reducing bloating and increasing the sensation of satiety. But, have you ever imagined combining these two ingredients? This drink would be amazing. This combination is a great way to get benefits of both ingredients, without feeling ill after drinking only the apple vinegar, that has a strong smell. If you want to get the benefits of this combo for your health, watch this video. After a week of drinking it every day after lunch or dinner, you will notice that your appetite is more controlled, as well as your craving for sweets. Besides that, digestion will also improve significantly, reducing bloating and constipation. Do the test and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to subscribe Beauty Tips Guru. Thanks for watching.